So, hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video how to fix your phone, then it says SOS only. Okay, so now we go settings, and now I show you method or way or solution number one, how to fix this problem. Okay, click search, and typing the text reset. We go general reset and click reset network settings and enter your passcode and finish it. Yeah, guys, so now I showed you solution number one. Now I show you methods number two, how to fix this problem, and please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not your like, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. Now we go home, and now we go home, yeah, and open your SIM card, and now I show you how to clear the cache your iPhone. Okay, so press two button turn off and button volume down. Okay, I show you slowly, yeah. Press and hold, and you see slide to power off. And left to right, and your iPhone or Android phone, yeah, turn off. And now waiting, and now press button turn on and hold, and now you see your phone logo, yeah, and hold on. So this way number two, how to fix your phone, then it says SOS only, yeah. So now enter passcode your phone, and now bonus methods how to fix this problem. Okay, we go settings and mobile data, yeah. So, and click and turn on, yeah. Okay, we go home, we go back and click search and typing the text reset. We go reset general, and now reset location and reset all settings, yeah, reset all settings. Click and enter your passcode, your phone, and check if this method works for you, not works for you. Guys, please write in the comments. Now I showed you very effective methods. Today it's check if this method works for you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not your like, yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, please. Guys, bye.